The cavities on the street, he's called the hidden poor, for he's the master criminal who can defy the law. He's the bafflement of some God, the flying sword's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, the cavity's not there. There's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a figure stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. You may see him in the basement. You may look up in the tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like this. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. McCavity, there's no McCavity, for he's a fiend and machine, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in a square. Crimes discovered, then McCavity's not there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Uncle Jerry, I might mention Brittlebone.